So let us solve one more problem. In a triangle ABC, if A is to B is to C is equal to 7 is to 8 is to 9, then show that cos A is to cos B is to cos C equals to 14 is to 11 is to 6. So it may be given for 4 marks question. This is short answer type question. Okay, first let us make a plan. As the ratio between the elements of the triangle are given, so with the help of the here A, B, C values, we can find out the cos A, cos B, cos C using law of cosines. So first let us find out cos A, cos B, cos C. After that, the ratio among cos A, cos B and cos C is to be determined. So first of all, let us find out cos A, cos B, cos C. So now, as for the given data, here given A is to B is to C equals to 7 is to 8 is to 9. Now we can write, or we can express, we can have A equals to 7k, B equals to 8k and C equals to 9k. With the help of this, let us find out the cosine value. Consider cos A. Cos A stands for B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. So you can recollect the cos A formula. So this equal to B square means 8k square plus C square means 9k square. This is 7k square upon 2BC. 2 times 8k times C is 9k. Let us simplify, very simple. This is 8 square is 64 square. Sorry, 8k square is 64k square plus 9k square is equal to 81k square. This is 49k square, but we have the negative sign. So very careful, we should be 49k square upon this is 2 times 8 times 9 of k square right on. You can take k square common. This is 64 plus 81 is 5, 145 minus 49. Here 2 times 8 times 9 upon k square. Sorry, multiplied by k square. K square gets cancelled. We get 145 minus 49 is 6. Here this is 96 by 2 times 8 times 9. This is 2 4 ja 8, 2 8 ja, 8 1 ja, 8 6 ja, 6 by 9. This we can write 3 2 ja, 3 3 ja, 2 by 3. This is cosine value, cos A value. Let us find out cos B. Consider cos B. Cos B equals to C square plus A square minus B square by 2CA. You had better to remember this one as a formula. So now we have cos B equals to C replaced by 9k, but C square is 9k whole square plus A square becomes 7k square. Okay. B square becomes 8k square by 2 times 9k multiplied by 7k. Am I correct? So now this can be written 81k square plus 49k square minus 64k square upon, this is 2 times 9 times 7 of k into k is k square. Let us take k square common. We have 81 plus 49 is 9 plus 1 10, 130 minus 64 upon 2 into 9 into 7 of k square. K square gets cancelled. We have 130 minus 64. It's very important. 130 minus 64. So 6, this becomes 12, 66. Okay, correct? 66 by 2 into 9 into 7. This is 2 into 33. 3 3 ja, 3 11 ja. So 11 by 21. This is cos B. Okay, let us find out another value, that is cos C. Cos C. So consider cos C. What does cos C stand for? Cos C equals to a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab. Now let us replace a for 7k, b for 8k, c for 9k. So this equal to 7k whole square, 8k whole square minus 9k whole square upon 2ab. 2 times 7k times 8k. So let it be simplified now. So 49k square. What is 8k whole square? 64k square, 81k square. 2 into 7 into 8 into k times k is k square. Let us take k square common. We have 49 plus 64, 13, 113 minus 81 upon 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 8 of k square. This k square gets cancelled. Now what is the value of 113 minus 81? 2. This is 3, 32. So 32 by 2 into 7 into 8. 8 1 ja, 8 4 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. This will be 2 by 7. Now we know all the values of cos A, cos B and cos C. So now it is the time to find out the ratio among cos A, cos B, cos C. So let us determine. So cos A is to cos B is to cos C. Okay. Here cos, this is cos A. 2 by 3 is to, this is cos B. 11 by 21. So this is cos C. 2 by 7. Just check 3, 21, 7. What will be the LCM? In lower classes you have studied. Nothing but 21. Multiply with 21. Multiply with 21. Each term. So we get 2 by 3 into 21 is to 11 by 21 into 21. Now 2 by 7 into 21. 3 1 ja, 3 7 ja. 21, 21, 7, 3 ja. 14 is to 11 is to 6. Just check with this answer. Hence, we have proved. Hence, it is proved.